Welcome to Code Station.
Hello friends, in this video we will be seeing how to install Android Studio latest version, which is Giraffe. So to start with the installation, first what we need is that we have to start a browser, any browser that you prefer. Then we have to search for Android Studio. You can say download. First link, whatever we get, click on that link. Okay, so you will get this particular option, that is what Android Studio Giraffe, which is the latest version. Then if you want to go for some like you want to download it by own, like for Windows, Mac or Linux, we can go over here and can download it over here. Like if you're opening this browser, it will automatically detect your operating system, and based on that the download will be recommended for you, and on clicking download it will be downloaded accordingly. So on clicking download, terms and condition will be displayed. We have to click on this I have read and agree, and on clicking download button, the download will start. Okay, so now we can see that the download is completed, and to start with the installation we have to click on this executable file which is downloaded. Okay, so after this a pop-up window will open, and on clicking next we will be starting our installation. It will ask for us that whether we want to install the Android virtual device, the virtual device that will be helpful for us in debugging our application, a virtual tool, a virtual mobile which will be available for us where we can test our application. So we will be clicking it, clicking the checkbox if you want to install it, and if your configuration is low, don't install it. You can test the application by USB debugging mode also. So on clicking next we will proceed. We have to choose the location where we will be storing our Android Studio files. By default it will be in program files. There will be an Android folder, and in that there will be Android Studio. Okay, after that we have to click on this install button to start with the installation. Okay, so it is completed. We have to click on next button. To start with the Android Studio, we have to click on this checkbox and click on this finish button. If you already have some Android Studio files of previous version, we can click on this first option and can choose the directory where it is being stored. Or if you don't want to import a setting, we can click on this second option and we have to say OK. So as you can see that the latest version, it is been downloaded. Okay, so we will be provided with this wizard. Using that we can set up our development environment. So we have to click next. Then we have to choose the standard or custom setting that we will be using for an Android setup. So first we have to go with the standard one only. Then theme that we have to choose, whether we have to go for Dracula version or whether we have to go for this lighter version. So I am choosing this Dracula one. Then it will show you all installation setting, and after going through the setting we have to click on this next. then what we need to do is that we have to accept all these terms and conditions. For this also we have to accept, and for this license one also we have to accept. Now after accepting all these three things, we will be provided with this finish button, and clicking finish button, it will download the supporting component that will require for development. Okay. You can see that you will get this HASM installation fail error. I have already created one video for it, how to solve this particular HASM error. You can go through it. Even I will include the link of that video in our description. Please go through it if you are facing the problem in it. So on clicking finish button, our setup Android Studio installation is completed, and we will be provided with this particular option from where we can start creating a new project, opening the new project and all. Thank you. Stay connected with us for more videos on Android.